Is Africa showing promise?
There are great properties in sub-Saharan Africa, great properties in terms of ore content. One of the big problem areas is the availability of cash now. The big guys, the probably 3 or 4 or 5 big mining companies, they usually fund themselves, or they easily can fund them or get loans on their balance sheet. The junior companies are obviously struggling, and I think the properties are still there. I think the projects are there, but they don't have really traction to get off the ground.
I was wondering whether there could be some sort of relief somewhere down the line with funding.
I mean, we've been talking internally here. Obviously, our group is not. We don't necessarily invest in startup junior mining companies. I could see a scenario where we probably, on the back of our expertise and the strengths of the group, probably could assist the juniors to actually raise some money by certainly underwriting I think maybe the geology in a pit, the process itself. I mean, give an undertaking to the mine that the whole mining mineral processing operation is viable, which would probably entice a bank actually to part with some money. So this is something we've been thinking about, and we may look at that pretty seriously, because I should imagine if we could facilitate, at least to a junior, the finance, potentially build a plant on a lump sum turnkey basis, which is kind of a key driver as well for a bank. We positioned rightly to underwrite something like that, do a bankable exercise, and potentially at least assist the juniors in getting the money. And obviously the mining company or the junior would have to. They probably have to put the surety down, the whole mine as a surety, or as the whole asset at stake. But probably better than not coming off the starting blocks at all. That's where we as an industry or as private industry probably can assist and get the juniors and the banks going again to work together, and hopefully by the time the upturn comes, some of these mines might be up and running and generating cash.